Welcome to the workshop on getting your team to speak up more in meetings. In the next few modules, we're going to cover 4 tools, tactics, techniques, and a couple models to help turn your meetings from monologues into conversations. So the first thing we're going to look at is why people don't speak up. What's in the way? What are the barriers? What can we address or remove for them so they will contribute what they already know? Number 2, we're going to set a new set of conditions designed to promote contribution, collaboration, and information sharing. Number 3, we're going to give you some techniques on how you can draw out more information from others in the room based on what they've already said in the conversation so far. And the 4th thing we're going to do is a time-tested technique that actually sounds easy, but it's really difficult to do well. And that is, how do you remain quiet in giving other people a chance to speak? The most important thing to remember as you come into this program and these modules is it's not about you. You are probably the power player in the room. You have legitimate authority. You are probably very comfortable in speaking up. The challenge here is, how do you make it so that other people who don't have your power, don't have your authority, don't have your comfort level, how do we get them to speak up? Now, these will seem like very small nudges that won't really make that big a difference, any one of them individually. But in the aggregate, what you'll find is more people will contribute more information, and it will be much more of a conversation and collaboration. The key thing here is to use those little nudges to help get people to move in the direction you want them to go. Much more to come. Glad you're here.